There's a great need for reformation in biology education. Here at NSA, we want to pursue truth, beauty, and goodness in all we teach.
The primitive Earth had no life.
Darwin's saturated biology in secular universities suppose that all life came about through matter, energy, time, and chance, with no creator, no goal, no ultimate purpose. All life displays beauty, complexity, and diversity that proclaim an infinitely wise, omnipotent creator. But its existence is regularly and dogmatically attributed to mindless matter begotten from a primordial soup. At NSA, we unashamedly teach that God created life as distinct kinds, not from a universal common ancestor. My goals are firmly planted in the classical Christian liberal arts tradition, which diverges significantly from a modern secular approach to biology. How living creatures work is so much more magnificent than any of the works of the masters and shouldn't be taught as a sterile pile of facts we're supposed to learn. We want students who are desperately curious about the goodness of the living world, including their own body. They want to know how their body works and how other bodies work, plants or animals. They want to cultivate observational skills that can springboard them into a glorious habit of lifelong learning. I am called and privileged to teach our God's creation, its beauty, unity, complexity, and diversity. And I strive to teach it so that our students will not only enjoy the experience, but will respond with reverence, wonder, praise, and thanksgiving toward the Lord of all creation.